Good morning, my name is Nick Marquez and I'm here with the Concrete Couture Company. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration on the Restore tool produced by Robert Kundal. As you can see here, we got a dirty 18-inch concrete rail. Has some residual concrete. We did do a light scraping first to get a lot of the big bulky areas of concrete off. You can see how rough it is here on the surface and how we had also acquired some new surface rust. And we're going to see how the Restore tool, right now we have on, I forget the name of that, the bit that's on, but this is just one of the typical ones you can find here at Home Depot, and they are coming out with the wire wheel, which we're excited to try. All right, we're about to fire it up and give her a try.